Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing these USB on-off switches. So they're just short little switches. You got a female port, you got a male port. Let's go ahead, show you what I'm going to be using it with. So right here, this light always stays on when we power on our USB hub. So I want to be able to put an on-off switch with the LED lights. So we go ahead, we pull this out. Now we take the female end and then we place it in here just like this, and then we can go ahead and mount it back here, and now we have an on-off switch. These come really handy for a lot of different applications. Thank you guys for watching.